Okay, so one of the pretty cool features in Zerys is the editorial calendar. And it's one of those features that not a lot of people fully utilize, but it can be really powerful and really simple way to help you track what's going on with all of your content and just stay up to date with important events. So there's a couple of ways you can look at the calendar and use it. Starting on your dashboard here, if you have any active projects going on, you can see your calendar either within each project for the next week by just mousing over this calendar at the end of the row there for that project. And as you add more projects, you can actually see a summary up here of all the events from all of your projects for the next week up here. If you wanted to see the full calendar view, you can either click to expand this right here, or you can come up here anytime and click to view the full calendar from up here, which gives you a nice monthly view of all your content across all your projects. You can also kind of click in there and see what titles it's talking about, what status they're in, and get a lot more information. So again, it's just a great way to kind of plan out and see what's going on within all your projects. Now, important to understand, you don't actually come in and add events to this title. This is really more of a tracking tool, so it's fully integrated, and as you create titles and as they're progressing through the production and process, it's just going to show all those titles and what status they're in on this calendar. So one more thing, when you're on your dashboard, let's say I want to go in and add some titles and order some new content. So I click to go into the plan order screen for this project, and I've got my titles in here that I've created in the past that maybe I want to start ordering here soon. Well, up here there's a little feature up here with these advanced, we call them advanced features, but they're really not all that difficult once you kind of learn what they are and what they do. One of them is to set target publish dates. So if the calendar is helpful, you can just check this and it will add this column right here to your table, and from now on you'll see it here. So when you're ordering, we would definitely recommend considering putting in your target publish date right here. Choose the date, and then when you order, if you've added a date, now that date will show up on your calendar. Okay, so whatever, you can utilize this calendar to whatever degree you want. You don't have to use it. You can certainly order without it, but it's a really powerful way if you do take the time just to add a publish date. You can really track and make sure you're keeping up with progress with your content calendar and staying up to date.